going, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today is Sunday. I came back to actually do more work to the car. See the bike back there? I'm gonna take you for like a little ride around the neighborhood. Now, I love this neighborhood. Actually I live in the city, but this is very quiet here. Did a little bit of work on my car, although the only reason I came because I had to wait for this dude. He came, actually he's very interested in the bike. I've had so many people calling me, offering me a certain amount of money for this bike, but exactly I got what I want for it. This guy already, actually, we did like a bit, sort of, we notarized like bill of sale. We exchanged like information, and he gave me a deposit on the bike, so you're gonna come pick the bike up Tuesday. It's really cool, at least I made like almost $1,400 on that bike, and I bought it for very cheap. All right, guys, let me take you on a ride around the block, okay? Yep. I'm gonna miss this bike, It's really cool, but I have my mind on a lot of other bikes. They're gonna come through for me. But this is really cool bike. You guys chill out for a little bit. I'm gonna take you around the block. Let's start the bike first. Then take you for a ride. Turn this on. Key is on, right? Shadow American Classic Edition. Yes. I got an older plate for my old bike. See, it says sticker inspection 2013. I don't know if you hear me, guys, because this bike sounds a little loud. So let's go for a ride. Guys, I really like this neighborhood. I moved in actually to one of my garages here 17 years ago. Although I live in the city, so it's pretty much cool. It's a very quiet neighborhood. Mostly it's like Italians, Polish, and recently I'm planning actually on buying, like property here. I just met this dude because I was trying to get in touch with this guy. He has a property next to my garage and he's selling it, so hopefully like he might want to drop a little bit on what he's asking for. It's 2-family house. It's really cool. I could live above or whatever, and it has a couple garages also. So look, guys, I'm gonna turn here, and you can see clearly at the end of this street is basically just a body of water. It's next to a Throgs Neck Bridge. It's really cool. It just connects the Bronx and Bayside. In the summertime, we usually like do jet skis along the bridge, whatever. Like sometimes we used to go to Manhattan, but I don't have personally jet skis, but my friends do. Hopefully I might buy one, but I'm into dirt bikes, so this is the end of actually the pretty much just like by the shore. And also you can see at the end of the block right here, we're gonna come to a dead end, which is not a dead end. Basically they changed the pattern of some of the streets recently here, and there's a place it's like a landfill back then, but obviously it was deemed not suitable for projects. But what they did back then, just not that long ago, this is where we used to practice all the time with our dirt bikes. Like basically just go practice. It was really quick. Next to my garage, I could just hop on the bike and just go ride and come back. It's really cool. But recently, like pre 9/11, I think, I think what happened is Donald Trump decided to take over the property, and he turned it into a golf course. You know what I'm saying? But it's all cordoned enough at this point. You can see I went right through here, and all the way at the end right there, it's fenced. It was just wide open. We used to build like sort of tracks for us to ride. But now since Trump took over the place, it became actually a golf course. But now the city took the golf course away from Trump. You know what I'm talking about? So It was really kind of cool. Obviously, at this point, it's cordoned off. It's all fenced. Obviously, it's a golf club members. So obviously at this point, you cannot go into there. But I do actually have some places where I could ride without like disturbing the peace. But yeah, man, I just wanted to kind of give you a ride around the neighborhood here. Eventually, I'm gonna pack up and and just leave, go back to the city, or maybe I could just start working from here. But I'm kind of tired. I'm exhausted. The only reason I came here to just basically, meet the guy that wanted to buy my bike. Basically, I'm going back. This, this one of the actually the properties is one on top. It's next to my garage, the one I'm interested in. Guys, I just want to take you around the neighborhood here called Throgs Neck. It's an awesome place. I'm tired of the city, man. I've lived this for so long now. It became very tight and people all over the place. It's enough is enough, right? Like now, it's actually almost like 4:30. It's about to get dark right now. So I'm gonna pack. You guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Don't work too hard. I'm gonna talk to you soon, guys. Bye.